Welcome to 27 Birchbank Lane. I'm Liz Compton.
And I'm Julian Compton.
27 Birchbank is a lovely 3-level townhouse located in the heart of Don Mills. This quiet enclave of townhouses is perfectly located, overlooking Mallow Park, steps to TTC, great schools, and of course, the wonderful shops at Don Mills. Come on in for a tour and see what you think.
Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you enjoyed a tour of this lovely townhouse, 27 Birchbank Lane. If you'd like a private tour, please give us a call. My cell is 416-554-7724.
And mine is 416-802-2497. Make it a beautiful day. And until next time, all the best from
Team Compton.